Why not people are regular to their health journey? Friends, there is something common between you and me, that we all know the benefits of the health in our life, and we try to get them also. We go to gym 1 day, 2 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, but still while doing all the workouts and all the things, we are not able to continue our health journey. Even we also try to adapt the salads, vegetables, less food, less. We also just do not take any outside food, but still we do not continue this health journey in our life. Today, I would like to tell you about the reason, total three reasons for this. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat and I help them to adapt an extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, basically, I have observed in many of the people who are trying to lose their weight, or at times they have reduced their weight, but once they achieve a goal, after some time, once they just leave all the things, all the good habits from their life, and once again they get back to their old weight. One of my clients were having just reduced a 15 kg of weight from her life, but once the all the things has been completed, the all the months, whatever she has learned in all the months are completed, she left those practices, and within a next 6 months she just get back all the weight again on her. The reason is very simple, that you are not resonating yourself with the personality, that what kind of person you want to become once you lose your fat or your weight. So basically, people just want to lose their weight 10 kg, but they don't have the bigger goals. The number one reason is the bigger goals. So if you have the big goals, like that you want to have the swimsuit personality, you want to be athletic personality, you want to have the personality like Hrithik Roshan, Salman Khan, or Anil Kapoor, or any of the heroines like Deepika Padukone. If you connect yourself with the personality, that what kind of personality you want in your life, so it doesn't matter that how much weight you have or not, but if you carry the personality image within you, then definitely you will see the changes permanently in yourself. For example, whatever kind of weight you want to reduce, just make a aim for it, but always say in your side that I want to have the athletic body and I'm a kind of a person who is a sportsman. If you make this change, then definitely you're going to be fit for your life. The second thing is that the what kind of food we are eating cannot serve us the way we are right now, because once we adapt the changes, our personality adapt to change. But once again, if we get back to the old food habits, then definitely the old personality will appear into you, which may be the obese personality or the overweight personality. So that's why you need to analyze this thing, that how to make your relationship with the food, because although your mind is not going to tell you that this is the best food in the taste, but you from inside also knows that once you consume a good nutritious food, then you feel not only your stomach is satisfied, but your energy level is quite high, just because of consuming a good food. Not only your diabetes issue, your high bp issues, your fitness issues are changing, but you are also increasing your age and your relationships are also improving. You can also see this thing if you consume a good food. So whatever kind of food you're going to eat, those kinds of thoughts you're going to appear in your mind, and we all know this thing. But if you really want to build a relationship with the food, then you must have the knowledge that how to make nutritious food tasty in your home. That's why I advise people to use ghee and butter and cheese and build a relationship with these fats in your food, so that your food will become tasty. But there is a way to consume these fats. It should not be that much, only this much, as per your personality or as per your current physique level. Now, if we talk about the third reason is the people do not have their relationship with the workouts. If we talk about the workouts, People just believe that the cardio and the running are the best workouts, but they are not. The good workouts are could be the 15 minutes and what suits you. It could be the yoga, it could be the football, it could be the cricket. What kind of workouts you want in your life is the most important thing. So that's why you need to find out that what is the best workout for you. For me, I have find out that I just manage myself, build a relationship with the weightlifting, but it doesn't mean that it should be appear on you. You can also find out that what would be the best workouts for you, and you can easily find out this thing. But for the starting level, for the beginning level, you must have the knowledge that how to reduce fat and what are the best exercises for the reducing fat. Once you complete or finish that journey, then you can adapt a healthy lifestyle in you. And I don't want you make you to wait for the year, 6 months, 7 months to see the changes in your life, because if you're going to lose your fat in first 45 days in a faster way, then definitely your motivation will be high. Your new build, you are motivated towards building new relationship with your workouts. You are ready to building your relationship with food also. So friends, these are some of the three concepts. If you're going to change into this, then you can change so much in your life. And always know this thing, that your fitness always impact your career life, your relationship, your family, and your person relationship, which creates your personality. So that's why always focus on the fitness, because if you are healthy, then you can enjoy your wealth, whatever you have. Friends, if you want to see a big changes in you, and if you are ready to lose up to 10 kg stubborn fat from your body, then you can message me or contact me directly. Or if you are facing any of the issues regarding that, you're already tried many diets and many workouts, and but still your weight is not going down, then you can contact me, whether you are a housewife or a corporate executive. Feel free to message me or contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.